Subaru. All right, here we are again with the Subaru Impreza CVT. Today, I thought about installing these. These are the Torque Solutions drive shaft carrier bushings. They're billet aluminum and they replace a rubber OE. They're not worn out on this car, but with all the driveline upgrades from front to back, this is like the middle, because I have a pitch stop, I have a transmission mount insert, and then I have differential lockdown in the rear. But in the center, there's a drive shaft carrier support bracket, basically floating on some rubber bushings. And when you put some torque down, I guess, and in the drive shaft there can be some up and down play, where you could be losing like a little bit of torque if you cared. But you know, since we've already upgraded you know, the front too, and then the rear, may as well finish the center. That's my intention. It is basically the door right around the rear of the door. Gotta follow it all the way back. I can see it under this crack here. So we're gonna need to remove this heat shield. Okay, I just removed the heat shield, 4 12mm bolts, and now you can see this shaft carrier bracket exposed. And these are the bushings in question here. They are rubber. We're gonna check out how they're like. This is gonna be a 14mm, I believe. So, okay, I just took out the one screw, and you can see it fall back down. So this is a integral part of the drivetrain. Without this, this would be kind of like, you know, flapping in the wind. Subaru. Okay, they said that she used a screwdriver to kind of pry this apart. I'm gonna use 2 hands. Looks like they're being really stubborn. These bushings are super hard to take off. I've seen people torch them, pry them apart with pliers, like, and they end up like just destroying them. I spent about 10 minutes on it, and I don't really want to take it off. So I'm thinking, though, you know, yeah, this part flexes a little bit. You can see it, but the inside of this support bracket, there's like another bushing around here. Look at this. The bracket's not even moving. It's like this floating bushing in here. And I think, you know, I'm feeling the effects is the insert. I don't know if you can see that. Insert is nice and hard here. Usually there's a big gaping hole here and very little material. This is a 75A polyurethane insert that keeps the transmission from moving up and down when there's a lot of torque to the rear wheels. This place is where I think I feel, you know, when I'm giving her the beans, I can feel like there's this kind of like delay into the rear wheels. And I think it's this big flex up and down flex here. That's built in so that there's not too much vibration. In the rear, I don't think you can tell, but over here and over there, there's differential lockdown bushings, or at least it tightened it up. And then on the back, there's 2 inserts that keep it from moving around in the subframe. So yeah, I think this is like the one spot that's kind of, I don't know, elastic. Say elastic. Yeah, so we're gonna abandon this idea for now until these are a little bit more worn, or I have more desire to pull them out.